So today is Tuesday and it is 12:30. This is after the Sunday rain where we had uh, the overflow of the new racks, and this is what's currently in our lake because it overflowed. And this is what is coming upstream from our lake. So you can tell there's a lot of plastics. There's some yellow balls of something, all kinds of leaves, limbs, actual limbs, but plastic bottles. This is just what's coming back after it pushed further down the lake. So this is, since the wind turned, this is what's showing up again. So, but this is all that's there. This is what that project is bringing into the system. And then here's the actual racks. Look at that limb. Here's the actual racks. This is the lower rack. That's the first rack. So all this was full, and if you can tell, I'll see if I can get a different view. All of that stuff, once it was on the rack, it pushed back. So now, when we get into the rain, we've got all that to play catch up with. So let me get a different view of that so that you can see it. Now here's the rain gauge. I'll empty it today, but that's this last rain we had and the rain before. So we're at about 3/4 of an inch. And I'm going to empty it and put it back. But you can see all the stuff that's just sitting there that needs to be cleaned up by the city. A baseball, deodorant. See, I'm not sure where this stuff's coming from, but this is, I mean, this is biohazard, some of this stuff. So, I'm not sure what that smudge is. Look at the sheen. See all that? But this is 12:30, and this is residue from a rain on Sunday. Look at the walls. You got the lower block, the upper block, you got the top block. You can see a line on where the water was. So this is it. This is what is happening to our property, which is going to decrease our property values.